Most diesel owners are silently killing their engines and they don't even know it. The scary part. These bad habits can turn a $50 fill-up into a $5,000 repair bill. So let's uncover the 5 silent killers of your diesel engine before it's too late. Point 1. Cold starts and revving. Habit number 1. Revving your diesel hard right after a cold start. Diesel engines rely on oil circulation, and when that oil is still thick and cold, it can't properly protect moving parts. Push it too early, and you're grinding down your engine's lifespan. Think of it like running a marathon without warming up. You might finish, but your knees won't thank you later. Point 2. Ignoring turbo cooldown. Number 2. Setting off your engine immediately after highway driving. Here's the deal: your turbocharger is glowing hot, and when you kill the ignition, oil stops flowing. That heat cooks the oil, leaving behind carbon deposits that choke your turbo. Over time, you're looking at a repair cost north of $2,000. The smarter move: let it idle for a minute, let the turbo cool, and extend its life. And no, that doesn't mean you need to sit in the driveway for half an hour scrolling TikTok. Just 60 seconds is enough to save you thousands. Point 3. Wrong fuel additives. Third habit: ignoring fuel additives in winter. Diesel gels in the cold, clogging filters and starving your engine. Skip the anti-gel, and you'll find yourself stranded in a freezing parking lot wondering why your truck suddenly turned into an oversized paperweight. A $10 bottle of additive can save you from a $400 tow. Point 4. Riding the clutch or lugging the engine. Fourth, driving in the wrong gear. Lugging your diesel at low RPM under heavy load might feel efficient, but it actually forces and burns fuel into your cylinders. That leads to carbon buildup, poor performance, and expensive injector repairs. Treat your diesel like a workhorse, but don't make it pull a plow in first gear all day. Point 5. Skipping fuel filter changes. And finally, number 5. Neglecting your fuel filters. Diesel is dirtier than gasoline, and those filters are your engine's kidneys. Skip the maintenance, and contaminants will chew through injectors that cost thousands each. A simple filter swap is cheap insurance. And here's the thing: these 5 habits are just the beginning. There's one mistake far more common that silently shortens your diesel's life. We'll cover that in an upcoming video, so stick around. Here's the bottom line: every mile you drive can either build your wealth or burn it away. By breaking these hidden habits, you're not just protecting your diesel, you're protecting your wallet and your freedom. If you found this helpful, join our community here at Auto Repair, where every week we uncover secrets that save you thousands and put you in control of your car, not the mechanic. Hit subscribe and take the driver's seat of your financial future.